For question 4, we need to mark the appropriate sides and angles to make each congruent statement true by the hypotenuse angle congruence theorem. So we go on to the next page, and remember we're looking for a hypotenuse and an angle. So if I go here, in these two, I'm looking for hypotenuse and angle. And in the directions for this problem, if we scroll back up, right here it says note triangles may not be drawn to scale, which means even if the triangles look like they have short sides and congruent sides, we don't know that for sure. The only thing that we do know is we know the congruent statement, and this is what we have to use to determine which is the hypotenuse and which are the congruent legs and angles. Okay, so the hypotenuse is always directly across from the right angle. So if we mark TX as our hypotenuse, those are the first two letters, and it's BU on the other side. So far, so good. We found our hypotenuse. Now we need to mark a congruent angle, a pair of congruent angles. Okay, so let's choose angle T. Angle T is the first letter in the congruent statement, which means angle B is the congruent angle on the other triangle. It doesn't look that way in the picture. It looks like these two triangles are just reflected. But remember, we use the congruent statement to determine which angles are corresponding and which sides are corresponding.